Hey, welcome to the channel. If you're a QA tester looking to level up your skills, you're in the right place. Here, we dive deep into the world of quality assurance with a focus on AI and Claude, exploring how these powerful tools are transforming the way we test, think, and work. Whether you're just getting started or already have years of experience, there's always something new to learn, and AI is changing the game faster than ever. Hit subscribe and turn on notifications so you never miss a new video. Let's grow together and become the QA testers of tomorrow. A bad bug report wastes everyone's time. A good one gets fixed today. Let me show you how to write the second kind. In the last video, we generated test cases from a user story. Today, we tackle the other task that eats up a tester's time, writing bug reports. If you've ever submitted a bug and had a developer come back saying, "I can't reproduce this," or "needs more detail," this video is for you. By the end, you'll be able to describe a bug in plain English, hand it to Claude, and get back a complete, professional report ready to paste straight into Jira or Azure DevOps. Before we jump into the prompt, let's look at why bad bug reports are such a problem. On the left, you see what a bad one looks like, and I promise you, every tester has seen these. Login is broken. I clicked and it didn't work. It should work. No environment, no severity, no steps a developer can actually follow. That report goes straight back to you with a comment asking for more info. On the right is what a good report looks like. A clear title that tells you exactly what's broken and how. Numbered reproducible steps, expected versus actual result, environment details, and a severity rating with justification. The good news, Claude generates the right-hand version from a plain English description of the left-hand version. Here's the prompt we're using. Role senior QA tester who writes professional bug reports. Context. We describe the bug, what page we were on, exactly what we did, what happened, and the environment details like browser and version. Task. Write a complete professional bug report. Format. We list every section we want. Title, steps to reproduce, expected result, actual result, environment, severity, priority, and notes. The key thing to notice in the context section is that we're describing the bug like we'd explain it to a colleague over Slack. No special format, no jargon, just what happened. And this is what comes back. A clear, professional title that summarizes the bug. Numbered steps a developer can follow to reproduce it in under 2 minutes. Expected and actual results clearly separated. Full environment details, and a severity of critical with a P1 priority, because this bug blocks order completion, which is a core business function. Every section is filled in with proper language. You can copy this straight into Jira, add a screenshot, and it's done. What used to take 10 to 15 minutes of careful writing now takes 30 seconds. Let's talk about severity, because this is the field most testers get wrong, and it matters. Critical means the system is broken. A core feature is completely unusable and needs fixing immediately. High means something major is affected, but a workaround exists. Medium means it's partially broken and can wait for the next sprint. Low means it's cosmetic or a rare edge case. Claude will assign the right severity based on how you describe the bug. But if it gets it wrong, just follow up. Change severity to high because this only affects admin users. Claude will update the full report instantly. Let's wrap up. Today you saw how to turn a plain English bug description into a complete Jira-Ready report using the RCTF framework. We walked through every section of a good bug report and why it matters. You now know how to read and override Claude's severity suggestions, and the output is ready to paste, no editing required. In video 6, we move to exploratory testing, how to use Claude to plan sessions, generate charters, and make sure you're exploring the right areas. Subscribe so you don't miss it. And if you find a bug today that you're not sure how to write up, paste it in the comments, and I'll show you how I'd prompt Claude for it.